Hey everyone, what if exposure to chemicals today caused chronic issues 10 years from now? Today I'm diving into something super important for all you hairdressers out there. Did you know that the hair dyes you work with daily might be putting your health at risk? Let's break it down. When you apply hair dye, you might think those gloves are doing their job, but harsh chemicals can sometimes seep through, getting into your bloodstream. Standard nitrile gloves do not protect against hair dyes, and here's the kicker. Once in your blood, they can travel all the way to your bladder. Over time, this can potentially lead to bladder cancer. Scary, right? Now, I'm not saying you need to panic, but awareness is crucial. The gloves you're using matter. Not all gloves are created equal. You need one specifically designed to block out these harsh chemicals. Think of it like this. Your hands are your tools. Just like you wouldn't use a dull pair of scissors, you shouldn't use inadequate gloves. Consider using Shield Per Reliance, advanced polymers that are more chemical resistant against hair dyes. Invest in high-quality chemical-resistant gloves. Not only will this protect you, but it's a small change that can make a huge difference in your long-term health. Remember, your health is just as important as the stunning hair transformations you create every day. The right gloves that protect you from more than just stains. Take care of yourself, because when you do, you can take even better care of your clients. Per Reliance, protecting the tools you can't replace. Thanks for tuning in and stay safe out there. Make sure to like and subscribe for more essential tips and info. Until next time.